What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another fun gear review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Tomshoo 3-piece titanium cook set. Now it's got a different name than that on Amazon, but that's what I'm calling it. Regular price on Amazon for this is $39.99. Current price $34.99, and they offer a coupon so you can get even more off there. Comes, as you see, in a real plain box. Let me get out of the box and show you what we're working with. So this is what we had in the box here. We have a folding titanium spork, very similar to another one I've reviewed on this channel before. No polished bowl though, but it's not a heavy texture on there. I could live with that. Okay. Now that comes with a little carry bag. Now in here, this is why I got it. Okay, so you have a carry bag for a 750 milliliter pot, right? Well, inside that is another carry bag for a 450 milliliter cup with lid. Let me get this plastic off here so we can get a better look at them. So we have a 750 milliliter main pot. As you can see, there's graduations stamped into the pot. So from the inside, you can see that pretty well in milliliters and ounces. The lid is a nice snug fit with vent holes. Very nice. Hanging bail put on correctly, so you could use this as a large coffee mug if you wished. And then the 750 milliliter cup, you know, there's no graduations, this is a cup, but I like the fact that it's got a lid. Also, not a snug fit as the pot, but it'll do. And the reason I like a lid for that is in between drinks, you can pop that lid back on there and keep bugs out of your drink. Which, you know, if you've done any camping, you know that's a struggle. Okay? Now, let me give you some specs on this. So, they say it's 99.9% pure titanium, and I believe it. It's very light in the hand. The 750 milliliter pot is 100 millimeters in diameter, or 3.9 inches. It is 110 millimeters high, or 4.3 inches. It weighs 128 grams, or 4.5 ounces. The 450 milliliter cup is 85 millimeters in diameter, or 3.3 inches. It is 98 millimeters tall, or 3.9 inches. It weighs 90 grams, or 3.2 ounces. The spork folded length is 86 millimeters, or 3.4 inches. Deployed length, which we have right here, is 150 milliliters, or 5.9 inches. Alrighty, let's check the weight on all this and see what we're dealing with. To do each pot individually with lid, this is a 750 milliliter. It's weighing in at 4.5 ounces, or 127 grams. They say it weighs 128 grams, or 4.5 ounces. That's pretty close. The cup with lid, 450 milliliter, weighing in at 92 grams, or 3.25 ounces. They say 90 grams. That's pretty close. The spoon, or spork, half an ounce, or 14 grams. There was no listed weight for the spork. Alright, so you've seen everything individually. Let's go ahead and let's nest the cup in here without the covers. Okay, let's pop that in there. Let's fold the spork and put that inside the cup. Okay, put the lid on. So now we just have the titanium, no covers, all together. 234 grams, 8 1/4 ounces. If you were to use all the covers that come with it, we're going to go ahead and pile everything on here. So 8 1/4 ounces. If you just use the outside bag, that's for the 750 milliliter pot, 8 3/4 ounces, 247 grams. If you used this and the cover for the 450 milliliter cup, 258 grams, 9 1/8 ounces. And if you use the small cover for the spork, 9 1/4 ounces, or 263 grams. Not bad at all. The main reason I was interested in this was the price was really impressive to me for all this. I mean, the covers are pretty nice, but let's face it, you're buying an ultralight, you know, mess kit for camping, hiking, all that, maybe even car camping and that. It doesn't get much lighter or better than this. This Tomshoo 750 milliliter pot is identical to the Lixada 750 milliliter pot cup that we reviewed earlier on my channel. In fact, here is my Lixada 750 milliliter pot, and these look identical. They're identical sizes, construction, even down to the stamping in the side. I wouldn't be surprised if they're made in the same factory in China. Now, with all that said, people are going to ask certain questions. 750 milliliter pot. You can fit 100 gram isobutane canister in there, no problem. But now you're not going to be able to fit the cup. You could also throw the spork in here and a small stove. Pack the cup separately. There's a lot of ways you can configure this mess kit. You know, this combined with a compact stove, and you're in business. The quality is really good. The spot welds, you know, they do a lot with the spot welds on here. I don't think this is ever going to come apart. Not under regular use. You know, same thing here. Look at those multiple spot welds. You know, I can't get over, you know, titanium, how lightweight it is and how useful it is. So if you're looking for a lightweight set, I recommend this set. The value is there for what you're getting. The only thing I would add to this, other than a stove of your choice, is a good windscreen. Other than that, you could be right in business, camping, cooking, the whole 9 yards, you know? So I thought I would share with you guys this. Originally, I was just getting this for myself, and I wasn't going to review it on the channel. But, you know, after talking to a friend of mine, he said, you know, you better put this out there. It's such a good deal. People are going to want it. And he's right. If you're in the market, links in the description. Go hit it up on Amazon. Who knows how long supplies will last. And thank you for watching, and have a great night.